How to activate dark mode on Signal for Android. Dark mode is a feature on mobile app that changes the design of an app to a dark background. Many people love dark mode for being easier on the eyes, especially at night. The Signal app on Android devices also have dark mode. Here's how to activate it. Open the app. You see I have the light theme active on the Signal app. To activate dark mode, tap on the three dots menu. Tap on Settings. Tap on Appearance. In this new section, tap on the theme zone. Select Dark. Now let's see how it looks. I really love the dark mode. You have now changed Signal to dark mode on your Android device. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.